Hello everyone. In previous tutorial we have seen that how we can digitize in Google Earth Pro easily, and here was our start area, and we got this area after digitizing. So now we are going to see how we can save this file as KML file, okay, KML or KNZ file, which we can further use in ArcGIS or any QGIS or any other GIS softwares by converting it in shape file. So let's get started. Just click the right button which you are going to export, and click save place as, and go to the directory where you can save it, or you want to save it. Okay, so here is the KML file. Okay, just save type as. If you need KML, then you can click it. If you need KMZ, then you can. It depends on you. So now I'm going to save it as KML file. So give it name Dhaka South City Corporation. Dhaka South City Corporation. Save. So we have saved it as KML file. Thank you for watching. So let's see what we have created. Okay, it's TCC, or okay, here is the KML file. So let's open it. So here is the KML file which I have saved. It is in the temporary place, Dhaka South City Corporation. Thank you.